everyone, welcome to the second video in the Quick Cue series. This video is going to be setting up your lighting rig. So in order to do that, we need to open our visualizer. So we go up to this 3 lines in the corner here, and we're going to click, that should say show visualizer. Okay, there we go, show visualizer. And then I'm just going to drag that over here. And then at the moment you can see that my stage is empty. Then I'm going to click on window and open new window. And this is where I'm going to add my fixtures or my objects, I think they're called in this. All right. So we want to go into design mode and we can see the options we've got here. All right. So we're going to go to add. All right, and then it gives us the objects that we can add. So we've got, for the first one, we've got trusses. And in the trusses, so these are just, I'll show you what a truss looks like. How about that? We've got a straight truss. So I'm going to add one of those just to show you what a truss is. So that's a truss. So that would hang up in the rafters and you would attach lights to that. You could, I'm just going to remove that. If it'll let me remove. Haven't got any heads in them. Okay, doesn't matter. I'll work on that later. Maybe I have to click here. There we go. Oh, no. Click there, click remove, then click here, and then click OK. No, it doesn't want to take it away. Okay. Anyway, let's see what else we can add. We've got curved trusses. I'll add one of those too, because why not? Now, you can change the length here. This is 12 meters, and that first truss is also 12 meters. So that's pretty long, but you can change that to make shorter trusses if you like. So maybe I'll make a shorter curved truss. Let's make it 8 meters. And there we go. There's our curved truss. Okay, now what we can see here is that, oh, it must have got rid of that straight one for me, a circle. Okay, now, again, we've got some more settings here with positioning. So if I change at the moment, this has an X position of 0, so it's in the middle. It has a Y position of 11 meters above the stage, and it has a Z position of -5. Okay, so I could lower this if I wanted to. If 11 meters was too high, I could make that 6 meters. I could make, let's see if we can make that 0 meters. I haven't tried that before. There you go. Now it's on the ground. I could also, maybe let's see what happens when we change this one here. Let's make this 5. It moves it to the side. If we did -5, moves it to the other side. All right, so let's see what happens when we make this one 5 instead of -5. Moves it forward on the stage. Okay. So we can do that. I'm just going to put this one back up. Let's make it 10. Okay. So in your visualizer, you can drag it around so you can see what that looks like. From the front, it would look like that. And you can look at different views here. This is the top view. That's from the top. That's from the front. That's from the side. This purview will actually show you what the lights look like. So that's, you might as well stay in that one. All right, let's see what other kinds of things we've got. I might just remove that for now. Yep, see if it'll take it away. Okay. Let's see what else we've got in trusses. We have invisible straight and invisible curved. Let's see what an invisible straight looks like. Oh, can't see it at all, but it's there somewhere. So lights will be able to hang on that. All right, just going to remove that. Okay, other things that we can add besides trusses, we've looked at all of those, pipes, forms a room, people, furniture, and a drape. So, for example, furniture has instruments. So if you want to make it a band on your stage, you can put drums and a guitar and keyboard, microphone, etc. And you can also put in people. So we've got a man standing, a woman standing, a man sitting, or a woman sitting. So if you're doing drums, you want a sitting person. But obviously if they're a microphone, you want a standing person. Okay. Now, room, I haven't tried this. I guess this just changes the size of the stage that you can see there. Yep, that's just made that a bit smaller. Okay, I'm just going to, oh, I can't remove that now. All right. So that is the design mode. So what I might do is just add in one truss to show you how to add some lights to that truss. Okay, so here's my truss. It's just a straight one. All right. So the next video will be on how to add lights into your show and onto your rigging or your truss.